variety of effects can be applied, enhancing your experience of being in a different place. In addition to the effects conveyed by the separate sound sources, all kinds of atmospheres can be created, wrapping you up in a virtual environment.
It can be noisy.
Oh, meditative. It can be almost anything you want it to be, even a kiss.
You'll now have a brief sample of how the 3D synthesis can be used in a musical context. The spatial and movable sound scene gives you a pleasant, relaxing, almost meditative experience. Close your eyes, lean back in a comfortable chair, and set your imagination free. The wonderful fairy tale of Hans Christian Andersen, The Nightingale, becomes fascinatingly vivid and present when it's narrated and recorded with binaural technology, as you'll experience in this audio play. Just listen to this example.
The Emperor could hardly draw his breath, as if someone or something was pressing down heavily on top of him. He slowly opened his eyes, and there, on his chest, sat the very skeleton of death, casually wearing the Emperor's golden crown atop its naked skull and clutching his golden sword and golden banner in his icy grip. But more than this, peering down at him from all around were the strangest, ghostly faces, some sweet and longing, and others downright evil. They were the spirits of all the Emperor's good and bad deeds throughout his life, now returned to haunt him. And yes, the Emperor remembered them all, each and every one, and everything they whispered about, and cold sweat sprang from his brow.
Now, picture yourself in a room at the local police station, interrogated by a fierce policeman who's accusing you of brutally murdering a woman.